Ever found yourself in a naming conundrum when starting a new business or rebranding an existing one? We've all been there. Wrestling with words, searching for that perfect blend of originality, relevancy, and memorability, only to find ourselves running in circles. But don't worry, there's a solution to this problem: an AI business name generator. An AI business name generator is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to generate creative and unique business names. It takes into consideration the industry you're in, the values your brand upholds, and the audience you aim to capture. It then churns out a list of potential names that are not just relevant, but also catchy and easy to remember. There are numerous AI business name generators out there. Some of the popular ones include Namelix, Looka, BrandCrowd, RenderForest, and Shopify. These generators use AI to create a variety of business names based on your preferences and keywords. They provide an excellent starting point for brainstorming and can help you discover a name that resonates with your business and sticks in the minds of your customers. Using an AI business name generator is as easy as pie. Simply feed it with a few keywords relevant to your business, and it will present you with a list of potential names. You can then sift through the list and pick a name that strikes a chord with you. Remember to be specific with your keywords. The more precise you are, the better the generator can understand your business and generate appropriate names. Don't hesitate to experiment with different combinations of keywords. And most importantly, don't be afraid to get creative. AI business name generators can come up with some truly unique and exciting names, so let your imagination run wild. Once you have a short list of potential names, seek the opinion of others. Friends, family, colleagues. Their feedback can provide valuable insights into which names work best. In essence, an AI business name generator can be a game changer for your branding efforts. It can save you time and effort, foster creativity, and bolster your branding by providing names that are unique, memorable, and reflective of your brand values. An AI business name generator might just be the game changer you need. So, what exactly is an AI business name generator? Well, it's a tool that employs artificial intelligence to churn out unique and catchy business names. These generators use intricate algorithms to analyze a variety of factors such as your industry, brand values, and target audience. This way, they can generate a list of names that are not only relevant, but also memorable. There are several popular AI business name generators out there. Namelix, Looka, BrandCrowd, RenderForest, and Shopify are just some that come to mind. They use artificial intelligence to formulate business names that align with your preferences and keywords. These tools are an excellent starting point for the brainstorming process, ensuring you land a name that's relevant to your business and easy to remember. Using an AI business name generator is quite straightforward. You simply input a few keywords that resonate with your business, and the generator will present a list of potential names. From there, you can browse the list and pick a name that tickles your fancy. Here are some handy tips when using an AI business name generator. Be specific with your keywords. The more precise you are, the better the generator can grasp your business and generate fitting names. Don't shy away from experimenting with different keyword combinations. This can yield a wide array of names to choose from. And remember, these generators can produce some incredibly creative names, so don't be afraid to think outside the box. Once you've got a list of potential names, don't forget to seek feedback. Ask your friends, family, or colleagues what they think of your choices and which one they like best. This can provide valuable outside perspective. With an AI business name generator, brainstorming for a business name becomes a breeze. It saves you time and effort, sparks creativity, and enhances your branding. So why not give it a try? You might just find that unique and memorable business name that will set your brand apart. Interested in trying out an AI business name generator? Here's how. The process is simpler than you might think. Start by picking a reliable AI business name generator that aligns with your industry and brand values. There are several out there, from Namelix to Looka, BrandCrowd, RenderForest, and Shopify. Each has its unique features, so choose one that resonates with your brand. Once you've chosen your tool, you'll need to enter some keywords or phrases that best describe your business or brand values. Think of words that capture the essence of what you do or hope to achieve. The more specific and relevant your keywords are, the better the results will be. Next, you'll choose the type of business name you want. Are you aiming for a creative, whimsical name, or perhaps something more professional and straightforward? The choice is yours, and the AI will generate names accordingly. After you've input your preferences, it's time to generate a list of potential names. With a simple click, the AI will churn out a variety of options, each one unique and tailored to your specifications. Now comes the fun part, choosing a business name. Browse through the list and see which ones stand out to you. Remember, a great business name should be relevant to your brand, memorable, and creative. Here are a few tips to make the most of your AI business name generator experience. First, don't hesitate to play around with different combinations of keywords. This can help you discover unexpected gems. Second, embrace creativity. AI generators can come up with some truly unique names, so don't be afraid to step outside the box. Finally, once you have a short list of potential names, get feedback. Ask friends, family, colleagues, even potential customers. Their perspectives can offer valuable insights into which names resonate best. Remember, the key to a great business name is relevance, memorability, and creativity. With an AI business name generator, you'll have a whole world of possibilities at your fingertips. So why wait? Start exploring today and find the perfect name for your business. Why should you consider using an AI business name generator? That's a great question, and the answer is simple. It's all about leveraging the power of artificial intelligence to save time and effort, boost creativity, and enhance your branding strategy. Picture this: you're launching a new business or rebranding an existing one. The task of coming up with a unique and catchy name can be daunting, to say the least. You might spend countless hours brainstorming, only to end up with a list of names that are either taken or just don't feel right. But with an AI business name generator, the process is streamlined and efficient. By simply entering a few keywords that represent your brand values or the industry you're in, the generator will provide you with a list of potential names in a matter of seconds. This not only saves you time and effort, but also allows you to focus on other crucial aspects of your business. But the benefits don't stop there. An AI business name generator doesn't just spit out random names. It uses complex algorithms that analyze your input and generate names that are unique, creative, and relevant to your business. It's like having a creative partner that never runs out of ideas. So if you're stuck in a creative rut, an AI business name generator might just be what you need to break free and come up with a name that truly stands out. Lastly, let's talk about branding. A well-chosen business name can make a world of difference in your branding efforts. It can help you convey your brand values, appeal to your target audience, and set you apart from the competition. An AI business name generator can help you achieve all that by providing names that are not only catchy and memorable, but also aligned with your brand values. So there you have it. An AI business name generator is more than just a tool, it's your partner in branding. It's a smart, efficient, and creative way to come up with a business name that can help you make a strong and lasting impression. So why not give it a try? You might just be surprised at what it can come up with. In conclusion, an AI business name generator can be a game changer for your branding efforts. We've journeyed through the powerful potential of these tools, and it's clear that they bring a wealth of benefits to the table. Recall the time and effort saved in brainstorming and coming up with relevant, catchy business names. Think about the boost to creativity, with algorithms throwing out unique suggestions that might have been missed by human minds. Remember how we explored the generators like Namelix, Looka, BrandCrowd, RenderForest, and Shopify? Each one, using artificial intelligence, provided a list of potential names based on your preferences and keywords, helping you kickstart the brainstorming process. We also delved into the mechanics of using these generators. We saw how being specific with your keywords and trying different combinations could yield a variety of names. We encouraged creativity and emphasized the importance of getting feedback from others. And let's not forget about the significant impact on your brand. A well-crafted business name, unique and memorable, can set you apart from the competition. It's more than just a name, it's an embodiment of your brand values, a symbol of what your business represents. AI business name generators can help you achieve this. So as we wrap up this journey, remember that in the world of business, a name is not just a label. It's your first impression, your calling card, your brand. It's the first step in telling the world who you are and what you stand for. The power of artificial intelligence is at your fingertips, ready to help you generate a name that captures the essence of your brand. So why not take advantage of it? Dive in and start exploring the possibilities that AI business name generators offer. Take the leap today and see how a unique and memorable business name can revolutionize your brand.